Yeah, 56, 5261. He's a loco. Loco boy coming. This guy's a loco yoko. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button for me. Can you do that? I would love that if you could do that for me. If you're new and you came along this train video, hit that red subscribe button down below. And subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. Also leave comments. And I'd like to know whereabouts you're watching me from and what kind of trains do you get where you're at. I'm just curious. You know, I always ask you guys what kind of trains you get, but you don't want to let me know. Yeah, but let me know what kind of trains you get in your neck of the woods. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a pleasant one. Take care. Thanks for watching.